Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to make a 1 feet Budurasmala display using pixel LEDs. For my project's parts we need to complete my project. I have cut out a circle from hardboard 1 feet long, and I drilled 50 numbers of holes on it using a 12 millimeter drill bit, and we need pixel LEDs W8 to 2811 RGB pixel LEDs, 50 numbers of pixel LEDs, and RGB and pixel LED driver for the controller. It contains the patterns, 100 numbers of patterns to display the our Budurasmala display, and a power adapter 5V DC 2 amp power supply power adapter for power the controller and the pixel LEDs, and a DC base and red and yellow wires for the connection of our Budurasmala display. For the full video, log on to my channel Chandu Productions youtube.com. Till then, have a good day everyone. Thank you very much.